Hello everyone, welcome to you all. This is Lata Awad, Assistant Professor in the Department of Chemistry at KVN Naik Arts, Commerce and Science College, Canada Corner, Nasik. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the carbon-hydrogen and carbon-carbon bond formation reaction by using TBTH. Now, we are going to discuss about the radical in synthesis intermolecular bond formation via tin hydride, that is formation of carbon hydrogen bond by using TBTH, that is reduction of alkyl halide, which is also called as dehalogenation reaction. So first let us see general reaction. In general reaction, this alkyl halide is reacts with TBTH, AIBN. In presence of light, we get alkane plus N-butyl tributyl tin halide as a product. That is simple replacement of halide by this hydrogen atom, that is dehalogenation reaction take place. Before moving reaction mechanism, first let us see long form of TBTH, long form of AIBN and their structure. So long form of TBTH is tributyl tin hydride. The structure of TBTH is like that. It is shortly abbreviated as N-tributyl tin hydride. Now the structure of AIBN, the long form of AIBN is azo bis iso butyreo nitride. Structure of AIBN is like that. Now we will see the reaction mechanism of this general reaction. So in a first step, AIBN in presence of light these bond get homolytically cleaved and formation of two isobutyronitrile radical take place with loss of N2 gas. In a next step, this isobutyronitrile radical is reacts with this TBTH and obstruct this hydrogen radical and formation of TBTH radical take place. Plus tin radical. In a next step, this tin radical is reacts with alkyl halide and abstract this halide radical and formation of N-tributyl tin halide plus R radical take place. In next step, these R radical abstract hydrogen radical and formation of alkane take place with tributyl tin radical. This tributyl tin radical further used in chain reaction. In this reaction, only use AIBN but not peroxide in TBTH reagent, because due to AIBN forms N2 gas, but in peroxide another side product is formed. Due to highly stable or highly stability of this isobutyro nitrile radical of AIBN, it abstract only hydrogen radical from this tin hydride bond due to very low energy, rather than abstract radical from this alkyl group. Now we will see the formation of carbon-carbon bond by using TBTH. So consider this reaction. When this alkyl halide reacts with this alkene in presence of TBTH and AIBN, it gives this as a product. So this new carbon-carbon bond formation take place in this reaction. So let us see mechanism of this reaction. So in first step is initiation step. So in initiation step, TBTH, that is reacts with AIBN and we get TBTH radical. So in next step is propagation step. So in propagation step, this TBTH radical abstract or react this alkyl halide. So this group I shortly written here R. So this attack on this and there is a formation of tributyl tin iodide plus R radical. In next step, this R radical is reacts with given alkene and formation of new radical take place here. In next step, this radical abstract hydrogen radical from this another molecule of TBTH and formation of our product take place, that is here plus tributyl tin radical. This radical further reacts with another molecule and chain reaction take place. We can alternately represent this mechanism of the reaction cyclically like that. TBTH is reacts with AIBN. It gives tin tributyl tin radical. So this radical is reacts with alkyl halide and here side product is tributyl tin iodide and here we get R radical. So in the next step, this R radical is reacts with alkene and we get this new radical. So in the next step, this radical abstract hydrogen radical from TBTH and we get our product and here TBTH radical and the chain reaction take place like that. Now we will see the selectivity of radical reactivity. In previous reaction we have 4 new radical this nitrile radical from AIBN. Another TBTH radical, third radical is R radical and this another radical. So let us see the reactivity of radical, how they react or which way is correct way So first radical is TBTH radical. So TBTH radical is react like that. So this TBTH radical reacts this alkyl halide and formation of here R radical take place. This is the correct way of this radical reaction. The TBTH radical does not react like that, that is, it never react with directly alkane. So this is not a correct way. So we have another radical, R radical. So the R radical is reacts like that. This R radical is reacts with given alkene is the correct way or correct reactivity. So this R radical does not react that like that. This is incorrect method of R radical reacts with TBTH. Next we have this radical. So this radical abstract hydrogen radical from TBTH. This is the correct way of its reactivity. But this radical does not react like that, that is, it does not reacts with again alkene. Next radical is nitrile radical. So the nitrile radical is reacts like that. That is, it abstract hydrogen radical from TBTH, but it does not reacts with this given alkene. So this is the selectivity of radical reactivity, how radical react like this or how react does not like this. The requirements for the successful use of tin radical. So the tin radical must be added or generated slowly. The Rx, that is starting material, it must contain a weak carbon X bond like as carbon iodide and carbon Br bond. The radical trapping, that is alkene, it must be electrophilic in character, that is electrophilic alkene. For example, like that moiety. The reactivity pattern of radicals is quite different from that of polar reagent. So polar reagent shows 1,2 addition, that is considered the example of this organolithium. This organolithium shows 1,2 addition, and we get this as a product. Whereas same alpha beta unsaturated moiety is treated with this alkane radical or butyl radical. It shows 1,4 addition, and there is a formation of carbon carbon double bond. That is, this carbon carbon bond formation take place. Now we will see typical reactivity pattern of nucleophile, that is polar nucleophile and radical. So with unsaturated carbonyl compound, the nucleophile is reacts like that. Radical is reacts with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound like that. The polar nucleophile or radical reacts with this carbon hydrogen bond. Here carbon is oxygen, here X is oxygen or carbon. So the polar nucleophile, take as example base. The base abstract or attack on this hydrogen, and this bond open on oxygen, but the radical is reacts like that. The radical abstract this hydrogen radical, and there is formation of tertiary radical. So the polar nucleophile or radical reacts with alkyl halide, that is, take an example of ethyl bromide. So the nucleophile reacts with ethyl bromide like that. These nucleophile attack on this ethyl and bear as a kick out, but the radical is reacts like that. This X radical attack on this Br, and there is formation of new radical. So in this way polar nucleophile and radical reacts with alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or carbonyl compound and alkyl halide and carbon hydrogen bonds.